Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Chrysler 300 louder using easy methods. Many car enthusiasts desire a more aggressive exhaust note from their vehicle. We will explore a couple of straightforward modifications that can significantly amplify your car's sound. These methods are generally budget-friendly and can often be completed in a relatively short amount of time, giving your Chrysler that powerful presence you're looking for. One of the simplest and most common ways to make your Chrysler 300 louder is a muffler delete. This involves removing the factory muffler, allowing exhaust gases to flow more freely and directly. The result is a noticeably louder and more aggressive exhaust note. While it's a cost-effective solution, be aware that it might increase drone inside the cabin at certain RPMs. Always check local regulations regarding exhaust noise levels before proceeding with this modification. Another effective and easy method is performing a resonator delete. The resonator's primary job is to reduce specific frequencies that cause drone, so removing it will make your exhaust louder. This modification typically results in a deeper, more aggressive sound than just a muffler delete, often with less cabin drone. It's a popular choice for those seeking a noticeable sound improvement without going to a full aftermarket exhaust system, offering a great balance of volume and tone. Before making any modifications, it's crucial to consider a few key points. First, always check your local and state laws regarding vehicle exhaust noise. Regulations vary widely. Second, understand that while these methods increase volume, they might also introduce some exhaust drone, especially on the highway. Finally, for the best results and to ensure safety, consider having a qualified exhaust shop perform the work. Enjoy your louder, more commanding Chrysler 300.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.